Hey, what's up, YouTube? So that's the problem I'm having right now. The bolt snapped in there. Tried taking it out. Then the drill bit snapped in there. That's the hardened steel. Can't even drill through that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these bolts, cut it, put it in there without this tip. Cut it nice, stick it in there, and weld it. Then I'll put the bolt on the other side to hold either the juggernaut or the regular torque converters. Alright, so basically this is the idea. It doesn't thread in this way. So what I'm gonna do is cut the head off, put it in that way, take this off and weld it on. Then I'll put the nut on it. And that's it. And it should never ever come off. I'm always having these issues. Alright, so I just tack welded it. Straightened it out as much as I can with the hammer. Now I'm gonna dry fit the juggernaut on it. And make sure it works properly, fits in good. And then I'll weld it all around, grind it out. Then I'll be ready to go. So there you go. You just want to make sure you don't weld, obviously, the little slot where the keyway goes at. Then you just put your juggernaut back on it. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. So it's a lot stronger this way. Now I don't gotta worry about the screw popping out when I'm going full speed. So I decided to put the regular torque converter back on because the juggernaut is not good enough. I'm actually waiting for these guys to send me a new one. Probably take that apart, see if I can fix it. But yeah, this is where it's at. Got the new shock from the junkyard. I gotta put that on. I'm gonna do that next. It's gonna be ready.